So for my dream, I uh, I drew baseball. So for my front page, uh, I drew a baseball field. That's a Doomsday Field right there. So the front page is just me on the baseball field, like during a game or something this fall. Just getting work in, all these inter squads we've been doing. So that's the front page. And then my backstage would be me hitting in the cage all the time, before practice, before after practice. I basically live in the cage. I'm just always trying to get extra work in and stuff like that. I don't think 3 hour practice is enough work for me personally. So I like to stay after a hit and do all sorts of stuff. And then finally, I have for the audience, it would be Grand Junction, where the D1 JUCO Baseball World Series is held. And I think we're gonna go there this year. Honestly, we got a solid team, and I got us playing against Walter State right here. It's a Walter State pitcher, and Walter State is usually pretty good. But I'm up to bat. I'm right here. I just hit a bomb dead center right here, if you can see it. And dead center, it is 450 feet. So I hit a ball about 475 feet dead center at Grand Junction. So that would be my audience right there. There's going to be a ton of people behind over here, but I couldn't really fit them in on the page. All these scouts that are going to be there watching me, because I throw about 90 off the from behind the plate. So Grand Junction is definitely the dream for me. And then that is my front page once again, just at Doomsday Field, backstage in the batting cage because 3 hour practice just isn't enough work for me, so I like to get more than that. And then Grand Junction's obviously the dream for any JUCO baseball player at D1 level. So thank you for watching this, and until next time.